Now, your Storm Team 18 forecast on News 18.
All right, starting off tonight, looking at a fairly cool night, temperatures falling into the lower 40s, so not expecting any frost tonight, luckily, as of the cloud cover. That'll largely keep out the frost potential, but the stray shower is possible as the secondary cold front does come in here overnight. But temperatures, again, looking to be, again, a bit higher than 40 degrees. So looking at Tuesday, Dale, looking at a fairly cloudy day, temperatures stuck in the lower 40s, not anywhere near as warm as what it was of today, but expecting again a cloudier, windier day for Tuesday. So unfortunately feeling much more like mid-March rather than like mid-April. But looking at those temperatures, 50 to 53 degrees, almost 54 for Attica as we head throughout your day for your Tuesday. For Wednesday, lots of sunshine in the forecast, but look at those temperatures Wednesday morning at 35 degrees. So looking at a frosty morning, so Wednesday morning, better chance for some frost as with the clouds not being there for much of Wednesday morning. We do expect that to be a possibility, but by Wednesday afternoon, temperatures upper 50s to near 60 degrees, so looking to be even better by Wednesday afternoon. But looking ahead to Futurecast, again, looking all right for tonight, so some cloud cover, a stray shower possible overnight to Tuesday morning as that secondary front does push well off to our south. But as we progress throughout Tuesday afternoon, the clouds will be slow to break as we head throughout your day, but eventually lots of sunshine as we close out Tuesday into Wednesday. You can see Wednesday morning, again, a clear start to your day, and then again, that frost potential Wednesday morning, but luckily we do stay nice and dry as we head throughout your Wednesday. Lots of sunshine as those temperatures warm up into the upper 50s to around the 60-degree mark, and then we'll stay dry for Thursday, looking all right for most of the day. But then we look at this pattern flip that will occur later in the day on Thursday of our shower chances coming in late in the day, just looking at a couple showers. And then we watch Friday very closely, as by Friday afternoon, looking at a warm front moving well off to our north, and with that, unfortunately, looking at for the potential for some strong storms potential late Friday afternoon to Friday evening into Friday night. And speaking of that, we do have that severe potential for strong storms late Friday into Saturday. This is from the National Weather Service. So unfortunately, I'm not making this up. This is all real from the Storm Prediction Center. A day 5 slight risk for severe weather potentially for Friday, which is Good Friday, which again, not good news with this occurring around then, as there'll be some travel occurring. But looking ahead past Good Friday, looking at a fairly active pattern as I'll shift this map over, you can see, looking at much warmer conditions, but unfortunately with that, looking at a very active pattern for some stormy conditions as we head towards the latter half of April, maybe even some more flooding concerns. And again, that severe threat will be prevalent as well as it moves further off to the east again, which is not good news for us, especially after all the active weather we had in early April. But looking ahead, a wet Easter weekend, temperatures in the 60s, and then we stay warm into next week.